What is the precise definition of Sharia law? Is it an inherently severe system or rather a frequently misunderstood framework encompassing faith and justice? In this presentation, I will elucidate the foundational principles of Sharia in a manner that is clear, respectful, and academically rigorous. I will address its definition, modes of application, and its significance for over 1 billion Muslims globally. The word Sharia, shrieg, comes from the Arabic root shara, shar, meaning to legislate or to prescribe. Linguistically, Sharia originally referred to a clear, straight path to water, and in the pre-Islamic Arab context, it symbolized a life-giving source essential for survival. Within the Islamic tradition, Sharia denotes the divine law. It constitutes the moral, ethical, and legal code revealed by Allah to guide human conduct. Sharia is not a human-constructed legal system, but rather a set of guidelines derived from the Quran, the Hadith, comprising the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, scholarly consensus, and rational deduction. Sharia encompasses all dimensions of life, including worship, familial relations, finance, jurisprudence, and personal conduct. What then are the specific domains addressed by Sharia? Its scope extends far beyond criminal law. The following is an overview of its principal categories. Ibadat, referring to acts of worship. This includes regulations concerning prayer, fasting, almsgiving, pilgrimage, and ritual purification. Mu'amalat, pertaining to social and economic transactions. This encompasses contracts, business ethics, financial transactions, and commercial trade. Family law, including marriage, divorce, child custody, and inheritance. Criminal law, addressing offenses such as theft, homicide, and adultery. It is important to note that these areas are subject to stringent evidentiary requirements and rigorous procedural standards. Additionally, Sharia addresses personal conduct including dress codes, dietary regulations, such as distinctions between halal and haram, manners, integrity, and charitable behavior. For adherents of Islam, observance of Sharia constitutes a means of attaining divine approval, rather than merely fulfilling a legal obligation. Is Sharia a uniform legal code implemented identically across all contexts? In fact, it is not. Within Sunni Islam, there exist multiple schools of jurisprudential thought, including the Hanafi, Maliki, Shafi'i, and Hanbali traditions, each of which interprets Sharia with nuanced distinctions. Furthermore, the application of Sharia varies significantly by nation-state. In certain jurisdictions, Sharia informs personal status laws, such as those governing marriage or inheritance. In others, it is integrated into the broader national legal framework. It is essential to recognize that the majority of Muslims worldwide do not reside in states governed entirely by Sharia. Instead, most individuals elect to observe Sharia principles within their personal and religious lives. It is now pertinent to address prevalent misconceptions. Sharia is frequently misrepresented in popular media. Its scope is not limited to punitive measures, nor does it seek to supplant Western legal systems in non-Muslim societies. Moreover, it does not mandate compulsory religious observance. Genuine worship, according to Islamic doctrine, must originate from sincere personal conviction. In essence, Sharia advocates for justice, compassion, charitable giving, and spiritual discipline. While punitive measures are present within Sharia, their implementation is infrequent and subject to rigorous legal safeguards. Thus, Sharia encompasses far more than is typically portrayed in media headlines. It is a comprehensive system designed to guide Muslims toward ethical, balanced, and God-conscious living, grounded in the divine wisdom of the Quran and the Sunnah. A nuanced understanding of Sharia facilitates the transition from apprehension to informed awareness. If you are interested in further academic explorations of such topics, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this content. Jazakum Allahu Khairan. Thank you very much.